Leverage Boss TV.
Jamaica to the world.
Leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Yo, Leverage Nation, I don't know. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV right now. Today, I make a chat, go back at the airport, you see me? So, daily vlog. Just forwarding me and see how it go, you know? I go left out, I kind of depend on a timing still. Let's see how that go. So, yeah, man. Jamaica was a little quick visit, you know? Yeah, but I'll be back soon, hopefully longer, and can show you the place I'm gonna go, you know? But yeah, man, let's take a trip with me, going to Kingston, Norman Manley Airport, you see me? Yeah. That is it, Leverage Nation. I don't know, big up on themselves, you know. All of the little new subscribers of them. Nah, this call on a little, but all of the subscribers them I build up, I respect that. And thank you for that, you know. Because I want the preach to grow and where I see one cocoa full basket, you know. So that. Yeah. See that, man. So remember. Just. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I wake up. Yeah, I wake up now. So I want to stay with Jada then? Eh? One in there.
Yeah, man. You know where things go. You know what's the family? Good clean come. I'm forward down. Leverage Nation right now. They are Norman Manley International Airport. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, people there are Norman Manley International Airport. And we're about to check in on the Spirit flight, you know? That's a leverage. Yeah, Leverage Nation, we're about to check in. We just go through check-in, go through security and all that. So right now, you can go ahead. Alright, now we are go up the escalator and thing, you know. And you don't know, we have the vlog. And guess who must the great Anthony B. Manners and respect again, my boss. Yeah. The man, they from my vlog. Yes, big up the great Anthony B. You see me? Alright, Leverage Boss TV.
Jamaica to the world.
Alright.
Peace and love we preach. Here, sir.
Alright. Let's up. Respect, man. The great Anthony B, you know? Yeah.
It's a breach of airport.
Oh, serious, I'm going to check security for this one. So I can't black up this one either?
Nobody can be there.
Oh, no, it's right here, so.
That section here.
Oh, sorry. Oh, that's what I start right, so my bad. Yeah. Meet the great Anthony B, you know? So, we are go on the flight. We are go up the stairs.
Any customers will come to board their carrier to their final destination at no additional charge.
No, that's very duty free. Yeah, information place. We walk through a place, you know. This is Norman Manley Airport. So it's set up. That is it.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for the following assistance. Since the departure of the Kennedy customers, Garfield Place, Merville Dixon, Stephen and Christian
Yeah, man, I know
Hector,
I kind of feel packaged to some.
Dorothy
I feel like.
Mario Thomas, and Dan Fox.
Back this up to your left.
Once again, that is Garfield Place.
Go back like I got the escalator.
Stephen and
Start up
Christian
on your left.
Hector, Shaniqua Lewis, Aisha McKnight,
Yeah.
Dorothy Miller, Christina Taylor, Mario Thomas, and Dan Fox.
Island Deli.
Your answer can identify yourself.
Yeah, man, I see a place. That is it, Leverage Nation. Bad. You know, so we're fully out here. This is Norman Manley Airport. Yeah, you see a place, yeah. And we're going to see if we can get some food, you know. I don't know. This is Island Grill.
I believe so, yeah.
No, Island Grill. I don't know. Every nation we check in and see. Check in back and see if we get this or not. We'll be back. Alright, Leverage Nation with the Island Grill. We are head down to the flight. I think the flight delayed, I'm not sure. But we are going to check right now. Because we're kind of late. I'll wait for Island Grill. If that's the case, but here it's them delayed, so we'll check out that right now. see a spirit plane. So, I don't know enough, but let's see, you see me? Right now we have walk down, I think a gate 8 them say. So we'll go. We'll do that. Excuse me, mommy. Yeah, so let's check it out. Great picture then. Yeah. So we reach the side there now, you know. We reach the side, so let's see if late or early. American airline plane over there, so them have that over there. So. Yeah, so that we're going to do right now. That is it. That is it. Let's see. Yeah, go around here, so. I don't know.
Group 1 customers are going to board at 2607. Kindly use the cards late.
Alright, we are walking, so we get back to now, we're getting at the plane. Alright. The whole leverage nation, so they are wait for them in the line behind me, the line long. But we could wait, so what I have to do? They shell some of the festival already, and they have a little thing. Expensive for that little sitting here, man. Could have never in the streets. I guess it's a breast, a wing with 2 festival, and we get some braten and the juice there, and then come with the sauce. So I eat me a shell in the meantime. Yeah. Get back to you. Over there, so we are going. I'm going to bend over for this. Yeah, be able to serve your leverage nation. Another thing go. Yeah, so right now we're still away for them about to board. Can't bother with if we stand up on the wait in our line there, you know. That makes sense. So oh well. But we'll go back in that plane. Not walk back, going into the plane. Just tired right now. But yeah man, look on the view. Alright, it's been a long vlog, so we're on the plane right now. Heading to Fort Lauderdale, so I'm gonna check in and see where we're going. We don't really do too much with this flight, but yeah, I'm sure the takeoff and that's about it, alright? So, I don't know the leverage. Just come out the plane.
reach on the plane, so we'll get back to one time come out here, so because you know it go already. Data leverage. Alright, leverage nation. Reach. We're outside, we're actually in at the elevator, go to the parking. So that will be this is the journey outside. Reach back at Fort Lauderdale. I honestly never get to show much of the plane because the funny thing is I never get to sleep. So when me leave out from St. Elizabeth, I come straight to Kingston and then it just drop off. When I see the journey, well, when I see the journey from when me forward back from that, but anyway, long story. We'll talk about it some other time. So always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Data leverage, me think for my head want to fix, but we not care. Reach back in at the place. Florida. Data leverage. See you next time. You see it? Leverage, leverage, leverage.